Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to demystify Python constructors. We will focus on the special init method, which is fundamental to initializing objects in Python. Before we dive into constructors, let's quickly review what a class is. You can think of a class as a blueprint. It's a template that defines the attributes and behaviors that objects of a certain type will possess. For example, a car class acts as a general plan for creating specific, individual car objects. An object, which is also called an instance, is a tangible item created based on a class blueprint. The act of creating an object is known as instantiation. Here, we define an empty car class. Then, we instantiate it twice, creating two distinct car objects named my first car and my second car. As you can see, our new car objects are created empty. But what if we want to assign them a unique color or model right from the very beginning? We could set these attributes one by one after creating the object, but this approach is clumsy and can lead to errors. What if we forget to set a value? We need a reliable way to ensure every object has its essential data from the moment it's created. This is where the constructor comes to the rescue. A constructor is a special method that is automatically called by Python every single time you create a new object from a class. Its primary responsibility is to set up the object, which typically involves assigning initial values to its attributes. In Python, this special constructor method is named _init_. Let's break down the structure of the init method. Here, we define it inside our car class. The very first parameter of any method in a class must be self. This parameter is a reference to the specific object that is being created. After self, you can define additional parameters like color and model to accept the data you want to assign to the object. Inside the method, you use self to attach this data as attributes to the object. Now let's see the complete picture. We have our car class with its init constructor. When we create a new car, we now pass the required arguments directly, like blue and roadster. Python automatically calls the init method, passing blue to the color parameter and roadster to the model parameter. The constructor then assigns these values to the new object's attributes, making them available instantly. You can also make your constructor more flexible by providing default values for its parameters. Here, we set a default value of silver for the color. This means if we create a car and only provide the model, the color will automatically become silver. However, we can still provide a different color if we want, which will override the default value. To wrap up, let's review the key points. The constructor method in Python is always named _init_. It is called automatically every time you instantiate a class. Its main job is to initialize the attributes of an object to their starting values. And finally, the first parameter of init is always self, which holds the reference to the object being created.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.